Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your environment, Anaconda or a working pip install. Open Spyder and create a new script or notebook. Import Pandas as PD and immediately load a small CSV with PD. Read CSV to verify everything runs. Run the cell or selection with F9 or Ctrl+Enter. Watch the variable Explorer populate. Once done, inspect dtypes with df, dtypes and head with df. Head. These first actions prove the toolchain works and prepare you for real analysis. Now you clean and shape data. Start by running df, info and df. Describe to find issues, then quantify missing values with df. Isnull, sum. Decide whether to fill or drop missing entries. Use df, fillna for default values or df. Dropna with thresholds to keep useful rows. Convert types explicitly with df. Astype and parse dates using PD to data time. For column transformations, prefer vectorized operations or df call. Apply for row-wise logic. Finish by performing analysis. Use df. Group B and AG for summaries, pivot table for crosstabs and df. Merge to combine tables. Create quick visuals with df, plot or seaborn to validate trends. Export results with df. To CSV or to Excel when sharing. If something breaks, inspect the traceback in the console, examine variables in the Variable Explorer, and restart the kernel if state is corrupted. One key troubleshooting tip: clear problematic variables and rerun the minimal sequence of cells to isolate the failing step and fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.